Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Big Destiny's class. On today's lesson, we'll be treating indices stroke exponent. Now, this is the question we are going to be solving. I will solve number one and number two, and you solve number three, and let me know your answer in the comment section. Now, let's go. Solution. So for this one, I have, okay, I have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 9 over 4. Okay, now let's continue. Now, since I have the same numbers here, okay, what I will do is to factor 3x out. So I'll factor it out, 3 to the power of x. Now open my bracket. 3 to the power of x into this is 1. Okay, into this also is also 1, and into this is also 1 is equal to all over. Let's do this one first. Factor 2 to the power of x out. Now open your bracket. 2 to the power of x into this is 1 plus the same thing, 1 plus 1. Now over 9 over what? 4. Okay, so I have 3 to the power of x. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So over 2 to the power of x, same thing, open bracket 3 is equal to 9 over 4. Okay, now if you check this now, it is very simple. Since I have 3 here and I have 3 here, I can decide to cancel this. Okay, if I cancel it, I will have 3 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x is equal to 9 over 4. Okay, now this 3 is in base 3, and I know that I can change 9 to be in base 3. This 2 is in base 2, and I know that I can also change 4 in base 1, 2, because I want to have the same number in both sides. So let's do that. In this side, we have 3 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 in base 3 is what? 3 times 3. So which is 3 to the power of 2 over 4 in base 2 is what? 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 2. Okay, now if you check here, I have the same numbers here. So we'll now use our exponential rule, okay, that says if I have the same number, if I have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, okay, since the powers are the same, I can factor the x out to be a over b, all to the power of x. So I'm going to apply this rule here. So it will now be 3 over 2 all to the power of x is equal to, same thing applicable to this side, 3 over 2 all to the power of 2, because they have the same powers. Okay, let me continue from here. Now, since I have the same base now, okay, I will do what? Equate the powers. So no need, it's just for you to remove this and 3 over 2, remove 3 over 2 here, and same thing to this side. So this one will now be your answer. So our x, okay, let me write it here. Our x will now be equal to what? 2. Okay, because I have 3 to the power of 2 here, and I have 3 over 2 here, and I also have 3 over 2 here, and that becomes your answer. So let's solve number 2.